You've probably seen the screen, I don't know, thousands of times. It's one of the most viewed pages on the entire internet, but we almost never really see it, right? So today, we're going to break down the Google sign-in page. It's a screen so simple, it feels invisible, but I'd argue it's the most important door online. So what's really hidden here in plain sight? In this explainer, we're going to treat this page like an architectural blueprint. We're going to uncover the deliberate design and, honestly, the immense power that's packed into this simple screen. Let's dive in. Okay, first things first, we need to totally reframe what this page actually is. It is not just a form. It's more like a digital passport control. This is the one single entry point to your email, your documents, your photos, your entire digital life. Every little thing on this screen is designed to manage your entry into that world. It all starts with this super simple, direct command, sign in. Just 2 words, but they grant you access to this massive digital world. And that phrase, use your Google account, that reinforces a really key idea. This one login isn't just for one service. No, it's the key to everything, from your Gmail to YouTube. It's deceptively simple, but incredibly powerful. Now we get to the most critical parts, the input fields. It's so easy to just see these as empty boxes, but a much better way to think of them is as locks. And they're just sitting there waiting for your master keys, those unique credentials that prove you are who you say you are. And that's the official term for what you're providing here, a digital credential. It's that piece of information that no one else on Earth should have, the one thing that verifies your unique identity in a world with billions of people online. Your email and your password, they aren't just text. They're the bedrock of online trust. And the choice you get right here, email or phone, that's not random at all. Your email address has been your formal digital address for ages. But adding your phone number, well, that ties your digital identity directly to a physical device you carry in your pocket. It's a tangible link between your online self and your real-world self. But of course, sometimes we lose our keys, and the page completely anticipates this. It has these built-in safety levers, designed not for daily use, but for those critical moments when something goes wrong. Think of these as your digital lifelines. That forgot email link is probably the most important of these lifelines. When you click it, you're kicking off a really complex security handshake. It's like a secret knock that only you would know. The system uses other info it has about you, like a recovery phone number or an old security question, to prove it's really you before it hands over the keys. It's just a perfect example of how the best designs plan for when things inevitably go wrong. Then there's this little line of text. Notice it's not a button or a link. It's just a piece of advice. It's like a helpful guard standing at the door, noticing you might be on a public computer and whispering a warning to be careful. It's a proactive nudge toward better security habits. And it doesn't just stop at a warning. That tiny Learn More link actually turns a moment of potential risk into a teaching opportunity. It's designed to educate all of us on safer browsing habits, helping us protect ourselves not just on this one page, but across the entire web. It just goes to show you that great design isn't just about how something works, it's also about education. But this door isn't just for people who already have a key. It's also a welcome mat. It's extending an open invitation for anyone to come and join this digital ecosystem. And the little button that makes it all happen is labeled Create Account. I mean, these 2 words, they act as the primary engine of growth for this entire platform. This is the starting point for millions of new digital identities, the exact moment they step through that door for the very first time. And finally, we get to the elements that pretty much everyone ignores. Those tiny links tucked away in the footer. They might seem like boring afterthoughts, the stuff we all scroll past, but they are the foundational rules for the entire system. This is the fine print that really, really matters. So together, these 3 links, help, privacy, and terms, they basically form your digital contract. Help is your support network. The privacy policy is the agreement about your personal data, what's collected, and why. And the terms are the rules you have to follow to stay. And here's the kicker. Every single time you sign in, you are actively reaffirming that you agree to this contract. So when you pull back and look at the whole picture, it becomes so clear that this simple page is a masterclass in functional design. Nothing here is an accident. Every single button, link, and field serves one of 3 core purposes: to grant you access, to ensure your security, or to define your agreement. And that all leads to this one final thought. We spend so much time and energy focusing on just getting through the digital door, on remembering our password, our key. But maybe the more important question is the one we almost never ask ourselves. Once we're inside, what have we actually agreed to? And what does that decision really mean for the rest of our digital lives?